Hello guys. I'm going to be unboxing, well, not the Blu-ray, but still one of my all-time favorite films, if I still had it today. And that movie is Kubo and Two Strings. My god, is this a masterpiece, guys. But my god, do I flippin' miss the Kubo and Two Strings original package Blu-ray. The Blu-ray was the best part. Just feel the texture. It was my all-time favorite split cover. It was Kubo and Two Strings Blu-ray, but it's not. It's a DVD. But there's Parkinson's Kubo, Matthew McConaughey's Beetle, Charles Fairhawn's character Monkey, also known as Mother, and also known as Father. And according to the Waka Wikipedia, or fandom, Kubo is actually 12 years old! 12 years old! I never realized that. I never realized that until I read it. And it does not feature and more. Yeah. An amazing classic journey. But if it was a Blu-ray, then, I actually don't remember now. But, this right here is actually not it. I think it was blue at the back for the Blu-ray. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I know they have Kubo on Two Strings on shouttv.com. Yeah, there it is. On Balaka. If you go to this website, you can still get your Kubo and Two Strings code. But the DVD did not come with code. DVD combo packs do not have digital code. Unless if they actually do say DVD plus digital. But yeah. No flipping code for it. But if you actually do visit the website, you'll be greeted with pretty much all of our movies that they made. And you can still redeem them even if they're not redeemable. I mean, well, yeah, you can't get it on your computer and whatnot if you still have it. But, about the digital, you, only get 2 languages. Right here. This right here. Oh. This right here, guys. Right here. Right here. You only get the 2 languages. English and French. That's all you get for the digital audio. Yeah. And we get the more bonus features on the iTunes. But, you actually get more languages on YouTube version. Yeah. But anyways, yeah. From Coin Studio Waka Coraline comes an epic original adventure featuring the voice talents of Academy Award winners Charles Theron and Matthew McConaughey. Kubo mesmerizes the people in his village with its magical gift for spinning wild tales of origami. When he accidentally summons an evil spirit seeking vengeance, Kubo is forced to go on a quest to solve the mystery of his fallen samurai father and his mystical weaponry, as well as discover his own magical powers. Kubo and Two Strings, a wildly imaginative to magical adventure. And yeah. People's reviews. So, yeah. Oh, here's the side. Kubo with strings. And yeah. If you watch Jordan do, I will actually explain why I named him Kubo.